ChatGPT was able to gather more than 1 million users in 5 days. But it's sad that 99% of the people don't know how to unlock its full potential. Here are ways that you can make money with ChatGPT without any skill. So the first one and the most popular one is content creation. You can use ChatGPT for content creation, sell the services online on Upworks, on Fiverr. You can reduce the rate and delivery time to beat your competitors. For example, let's use ChatGPT to write this article. Most creative ways to make money online. Let's use ChatGPT to write this article. So look at this article. It's actually finished writing this article and even give you options to regenerate response. You can create this article in many other ways. Once you click on regenerate response, it will create it for you in another way. So imagine you have a competitor or you have competitors and you use this chat GPT to write this article in 3 minutes. You can even lower your price so that you can beat your competitor. So with this, content creation is made easy. So you can take as much job as possible and be able to deliver in a short note while making more money. The second one is to work as a social media manager on LinkedIn, on Instagram, on Twitter, and other social media networks, where you can use ChatGPT to generate ideas of what to post, hook, CTA, hashtag, and caption. For example, which hashtag best describe. So let me assume that you are working for a sports media organization and you want to describe Lionel Messi. Which hashtag best describes Lionel Messi? So as you can see, we can use ChatGPT to generate hashtag, content, hook, and the rest of them. So using this, you can actually work as a social media manager for organizations, earning freely even without having any idea of what you are doing, creating content on social media even without having a basic knowledge of it. Another important one is working as a virtual assistant. There are so many organizations on internet online looking for virtual assistants. With the help of ChatGPT, you can work as their virtual assistant even without having deep knowledge of what they are doing. So let's assume that you got a job as a virtual assistant to an IT firm that develops school manager and are selling school manager. And a client from the other end is chatting you on a chatbot saying, what is school manager and why should his or her company need it? Just copy it, paste it on ChatGPT and request for a prompt response. So immediately ChatGPT will give you a summary of whatever the person is talking about. You can copy it and send to the person. You can actually read it again on your own and make amendments if there is any need. With this, you can actually work as a virtual assistant in any industry. Another place you can leverage the use of ChatGPT is on ebook. You can write an ebook using ChatGPT for research and writing. You can create a book about your passion, about your experience, about your skills, about your career. You can easily sell those books online. For example, because I know about tech, I want to make a research about browser, examples of browser, advantages and disadvantages of browser. So Oh, now let's see. So as you can see, it's generating content about browser for me. I can easily package this, bring out more subtopics about browser. Look at it. Google Chrome advantages gives you advantage. It will give you disadvantage. It will tell you about Mozilla Firefox. So you can package this as a small ebook and sell online. This will make you a huge chunk of money. You can see the way it's answering you detailed about browser, things you might not even know about browser. And people will be interested to read this. People want to know this, right? So in few minutes, I've been able to write few pages about browser, what a web browser is, how it's come about, different types of browser, examples of browser. Now you can see that if I want to do a deep dive on browser, in less than 1 hour, I will be coming out with a complete ebook about a browser. This will give you a whole lot of money. Another way to make money from ChatGPT is on email marketing, using ChatGPT to create email campaign for your client, using ChatGPT to create email campaign for your client. For example, Academic Technology is running a promo on 840G3. So let's ask ChatGPT to create an email campaign for it. Email campaign. So let's see what the results will bring. Automatically, it's writing an email campaign for Academic Technology, right? So you can copy this, do a little edit, and send to your client. This way, you are making more money within a short time. In less than 5 minutes, ChatGPT has developed a complete email campaign content for this campaign. So with this, you can actually generate your email campaign for your clients and make money out of it. Another important way to make money from ChatGPT is using it for coding. You can actually tell ChatGPT the kind of code you want, the project you want to develop, and it will develop it for you. For example, let's use it to do a to-do application using Python programming language. And see what happens. Now it's generating to do application using Python programming language for you. So with this, you can even see that you can get a programming contract and ChatGPT will help you and deliver it in few minutes. This is bomb. You need to start leveraging on all the resources that ChatGPT gives out for you to start making money. This is an easy way to mint money. I hope you learned something new on this video. If there's any topic you want me to treat, please put it on the comment box. Remember to like and share our videos. Remember to subscribe to our channel. I will see you on next video. Thank you.